Hello guys, today we're going to make caramel popcorn. Now today we are going to make this caramel popcorn without any butter or granulated sugar, in case you're sugar free or oil free. And even if you're not, this is a different way to make caramel popcorn, because you guys know I love to buck against the status quo and make recipes differently but still delicious and still satisfying. So let's go ahead and go over what we're going to do. So I have this handy dandy little popcorn maker, and I've got some organic popping corn, and I got this from Traders. I love to get my corn organic because corn is one of the biggest items on the market that's genetically modified. So let's pop the popcorn. I got this huge bowl here to pop the popcorn in. Oops, I am spilling some of my liquid here. Okay. What you can do you want total about 6 cups of popcorn. 5 to 6 cups of popcorn would do for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this popcorn, and meanwhile I'm going to throw in a half a cup of sweetener into this pan. And like I said, whatever sweetener you want to use, excuse me, whatever sweetener you want to use, you can use. So I'm just pouring this in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook this about 2.5 minutes or so, and cook this on the stovetop, and then I'll bring it back and put in the rest of the ingredients. So let's go ahead and pop the popcorn and go ahead and just cook up our liquid sweetener until it's bubbly and delicious. Popcorn has been popped. I would ascertain that this is probably about 6 cups. I didn't measure it, so we'll just go with that. I toasted some pecans too. That's optional, you don't have to do that. Then I've got our syrup. So if you look into it, it's kind of like crystallized and it's super thick. Okay guys, delicious caramel popcorn without the butter or granulated sugar. So delicious. I mean, you're gonna love it. I added pecans to it, which is optional, but guys, whew, I'm taking my popcorn. I'm gonna go enjoy myself. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you make this fall fun favorite food. It's so delicious, and I promise you, it satisfies. I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthier alternatives to your favorite foods. Healthier alternative recipes. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's revamped right here.